The research that we've been doing here at UCI is making a difference today in the lives of those around us and in our own lives, and will make a difference in our children's lives tomorrow. I know the patients very well and the families, and I feel about them the way I feel about my own families. And that's one of the reasons I have the picture on the wall. There's not a day that goes by that I don't think about, if we do a little bit more, if we try a little bit harder, that it might help.
It's the possibility that one day the work that you discover is going to be applicable to human disease, to treat human disorders like autoimmune disease in our case. And I hope that our discoveries on T-cell ion channels and autoimmunity will translate into human therapy for type 1 diabetes, for multiple sclerosis, for psoriasis, and a variety of other autoimmune disease conditions that affect hundreds of millions of people worldwide.
And I knew that we needed someone to bridge that, to take what was happening at the benchside and bring it to the bedside. And that is the beauty of translational research. Being involved in clinical research really makes me a better doctor. All the new cutting-edge novel therapy clinical trials are made available to my patients because of my involvement in clinical research. My work and passion are driven by the needs of seriously ill people who may have lost hope.
UC Irvine is unique in its approach to medical education because it encourages medical students to be able to participate in their education. It encourages them to be advocates for their patients, for their classmates, and for their curriculum. Our students feel that the material they learn is not the only part of their medical education. They feel outreach, providing care to the community, providing care throughout the world is also part of that.
We provide individualized learning for our students that's tailored to their needs with small group format, active learning. We have the latest in technology to enhance our students' experiences, from video podcasting to simulation education, and faculty who truly care about how well our students do. Now we also have great facilities for our teachers to provide such great education. Our brand new medical education building has a state-of-the-art simulation center where our students learn applied knowledge, and we have a great clinical skills center as well with mock hospital rooms, mock operating rooms. We actually are able to test their information, to give them information as well before they actually hit the real hospital.
It's so easy living in the ageist society that we do to dismiss somebody with dementia, to dismiss somebody who might be toward end of life. And that's the worst thing we can possibly do. Helping everybody be their best is really why we're here. One thing that we're aiming to do is to make sure that any physician who graduates from UCI, be they a medical student, a resident, or a fellow, is superb at communicating with older adults.
The program in medical education for the Latino community has helped me structure my passions, my goals, and my dreams. The Prime LC program is the only one in the United States that actually trains medical students in serving the Latino community. When I graduate from UC Irvine, my goal in life is to go back and serve the neediest and poorest communities, to serve the communities where I came from.
Each cancer patient wants to be cancer-free, and Dr. John Butler helped me achieve that goal. We would have driven any distance to come to UC Irvine. That was my only and best choice. I'm so glad I did. I encourage any patient who's afflicted with a disease or a medical illness to come to UC Irvine, seek out medical help so they too can restore their health.
All of our faculty every day are committed to giving the very best eye care and protecting and preserving the vision of every one of our patients. Good patient care is to do the very best you can in every sense. And that means helping the patient technically with the highest level of skill, knowing what opportunities are available therapeutically, but also taking care of the patient as a whole.
In any conversation that I have with people, I always bring up my story and the fact that if it were not for UC Irvine Medical Center, and if it were not for Dr. Dolich, that I would not be alive today. UC Irvine Medical Center is a place of healing. It's a place where miracles happen. It's a place where people are dedicated to saving the lives of people and giving them the best medical treatment available.